Most people use their PC every day without ever restarting it, and over time, this makes their computer slower and slower. But what if your PC could restart itself automatically to stay fast, smooth, and hassle-free? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make your PC restart on its own and keep it running like new. Please support the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Now let's get started. So to make your PC restart itself automatically, I'm going to use the task scheduler to automate that. Okay, so to get started, I'm going to use my virtual machine for demonstration. So let me open my virtual machine, which I've launched already. And then to open the task scheduler, we are going to click on the search. And then you type task scheduler, okay? But I already searched for it, so I'm going to click on it. And then to create a task, at the right pane beneath the actions, we are going to click on create task. And then we are going to give our task a name. So we are going to name it Auto Restart PC, okay? Then I'm going to check the run with higher privileges, okay? So at the configure for, I'm going to click on the down arrow. Then I'll select the Windows 10. But if you have Windows 10 and 11, you can select that one as well, okay? So at the triggers, we are going to click on new. And then we set our trigger, okay? So we are going to leave the default on schedule. So I'm going to set the trigger for weekly. So every week, your system is going to restart automatically. So I'm going with Sunday. Then I'll change the time to 3 a.m., okay? So every week at 3 a.m., the PC will restart automatically, okay? And then I'll click on OK. So at the actions, I'm going to click on new. And then at the program script, I'm going to type shutdown, okay? So at the add argument, I'm going to type /r space /f space /t space 0, okay? So the /r is the restart, the f is to force the restart, and the t is the time, okay, to restart immediately. That is the 0. Then I'll click on OK. So I'm going to click on the conditions. And then at the conditions, we are going to check on wake the computer to run this task. So if your PC is asleep, it will wake the PC and then run the restart, okay? So I'm going to click on OK. So for demonstration purposes, I'm going to run this task and then we see the outcome of our task, okay? So I'm going to click on the auto restart. Then I click on run. So let's see what happens. So you see, automatically the PC is restarting. So by the time you set for your event or for your task, it's going to run automatically, okay, at the time you set, okay? So it's restarting our system, okay? So this is how to automate your PC to restart on its own for your PC to be faster after you've used it for a long time without restarting. So this brings us to the end of the tutorial. If this helped, then please subscribe to the channel to join our tech savvy family, and let's make tech easy and fast together. Thank you for watching, and bye bye for now.